Some Huawei Mate 20 Pro prototypes have been leaked, showing off a triple camera arrangement. There's a possibility of seeing a Samsung device with 4 rear cameras before the end of the year, and the Google Pixel 3 XL was just casually forgotten on the Lyft Car over the weekend. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm Jaime Rivera. Happy Labor Day weekend to all of you in the United States that are actually taking the day off. I deserve a day off after this. This is Pocketnow Daily from IFA. The official news today begin with the RED Hydrogen One camera, as the Houdini project, or the program, for those of you that pre-ordered the smartphone early, is now available. You have to opt in. You get a smartphone that's in beta. You will be able to test things like modules, for example, where apparently there's this like 5K module that's available that's crazy. From a smartphone, definitely, even though we've been able to do 4K for a while. But there are so many things about this product that we are really looking forward to. The problem is we don't know exactly when we're getting the official one. Now let's talk about Nubia, as if you've seen our hands-on video over the last couple of days, I would consider this to be the hottest thing that I've seen at IFA. Surely I don't think that it's ever going to be a product, even though Nubia was very clear this is not a concept, it's a product, and this is not a smartwatch, it's a smartphone. There's a lot of cool in this product, at least visually it looks very sci-fi. I just don't know if it's functional or not. Let us know in the comments what you think. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 XL. I definitely believe that this product is, what we've been seeing is fake, or I don't know what, but it was now forgotten in the Lyft in Canada once again. We get to see it in a case. There are photos of the phone. That's all fine and dandy, but let's see in the end what we get in the possible October event. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we don't know exactly what the roadmap for the company is over the next couple of years, but what we do hear are the possibilities of a device with 4 cameras. And we hear that it's going to happen this year. We hear that the company is working hard on a revamp for the S10 and everything, but apparently this device with the 4 cameras is not going to be the Galaxy S10, up to the point where those 4 cameras are apparently not 2 selfies and 2 in the back. Apparently there's going to be some whole different design here. Let's see in the end if it happens or not. Stay tuned. And finally, another one of the hottest news today have to do with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. We are just a couple of weeks away from the October 16th event. And guess what was leaked here at IFA? Apparently somebody was spotted using a prototype of the Mate 20 Pro. I didn't believe that whole L arrangement of the cameras and this and that, but from the leaked photos, apparently this device is real and it's brought that camera arrangement. That looks all great, but let us know in the comments what you think. Do you like this whole design of the Mate 20 Pro? Do you think that Huawei is being bold and different here? I know I was about to get stuck here. Let us know what you think in the comments. I will tell you this much: if that design is real, I really like it. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.